Geometric design in art and culture refers to the use of geometric shapes, lines, and patterns to create visual elements. This design can be found in various forms, including paintings, architecture, textile, and decorative arts. They are characterized by their use of simple geometric elements like circles, squares, triangles, and polygons, as well as principles like symmetry, repetition, and proportion. Join us as we explore how these beautiful patterns shape the art, culture, and identity of the said community.
A few moments later.
Tara na ba?
Korea is a place rich in culture, creativity, and tradition. Ever heard about the Banga? It's more than just a K-pop symbol of heritage and stunning geometric designs. There are powerful stories about their roots.
Santa Maria Isabela has a rich history intertwined with the influential Masigan family and the Kalinga tribe. The town was officially established in 1703, separating from Cabagan, and its development was largely shaped by the Masigan family's leadership and the town's strategic location bordering the Cordilleras Mountains. Santa Maria is known for its pottery traditions, particularly the Madueng pottery and the Mabanga Festival, which celebrate local culture and heritage. In Santa Maria Isabela, the banga symbolize the town's rich pottery tradition, particularly the Madueng pottery, which was introduced by the Kalingas. The annual Mabanga Festival celebrates this tradition, reminding the people of their humble beginnings and cultural heritage. The pottery is known for its use in cooking, storage, and decorative items, making it a crucial part of the local livelihood. Banga making is deeply ingrained in the cultural heritage of the Ibanag people in Santa Maria. It represents their ancestral knowledge, skills, and artistic expression. Banga pottery, particularly for storage, is still useful by some families in the area for storing water, rice, and other goods. While the specific monetary value, there is a demand for authentic and well-made Banga pottery, especially among tourists and those interested in cultural artifacts. The Banga represents the town's cultural identity, its connection to its past, and the livelihood of the people who craft these pots.
A few moments later.
Itong banga sa Santa Maria, Isabela ay isang landmark na simbolo ng pagmamahal sa bayan at kultura ng mga taga-roon.
Ayon sa mga kwento, ito ay pinitayo bilang isang simbolo ng pagpapahalaga sa mga magsasaka at sa mga agrikultura na isang mahalagang bahagi ng ekonomiya dito sa lugar ng Santa Maria.
Ang banga din ay naglalarawan ng kasaysayan at identidad ng bayan ng Santa Maria Isabela.
The Banga in Santa Maria is more than just a pot. It is a vessel that encapsulates the spirit of the community. Crafted from locally sourced clay and molded with time-honored techniques. The potters of Santa Maria have been perfecting their craft for generations, using techniques passed down through the ages. What truly sets their works of arts is the distinctive geometric patterns that adorn their creations. These designs are not just decorative but also hold cultural significance, often inspired by the nature and ancestral symbols.
The people of Santa Maria, known as the Ibanag, have maintained a strong tradition of pottery, and the banga is a prominent example of this art form. The banga is a traditional clay pot that reflects the cultural heritage of Santa Maria. The use of geometric patterns such as lines, spirals, and triangles on the surface of the banga preserve ancient artistic techniques passed down through generations.
In Santa Maria, the use of geometric shapes, especially lines and spirals, can add a visual appeal and sophistication to the big banga. Triangles, for instance, can create a sense of balance and stability, while a spiral can evoke movement and energy.
Expression of cultural identity, geometric design as meaning, often symbolizing nature, life, unity, or strength. These symbols express the values and stories of the community, helping to shape and share the cultural identity of Santa Maria Isabela.
Enhancement of artistic value. Geometric design transforms the banga from a functional item into a piece of art. The symmetry and the balance of the patterns enhance its visual appeal, showcasing the skills and creativity of local artisans.
Boosting local pride and tourism, beautifully designed bangas attract attention not just locally but also from visitors. This promotes tourism and pride in local craftsmanship, supporting both cultural awareness and the local economy.
A few moments later.
Awan yung ninikno kanda makitkitan. 1, 2, 3, go.
Arat na.
Ano?
Itong bangan sa Santa Maria. Ay?
Santa Maria is a place. Ulit.